Hi everyone. Have you ever felt overwhelmed with ad campaign management? Maybe you've found yourself repeatedly asking brand designers to update banner text. Or perhaps you're conducting a lot of A/B tests with different text on the same banner design? Or are you juggling campaigns across various markets or countries, trying to keep up with localizing each banner? Today I'm excited to introduce In Bulk Ads, a banner campaign generator that streamlines this entire process. Imagine creating hundreds of high-quality banners in just few seconds, all by pulling copy directly from Google Sheet. Let's dive into the InBulk app. You've got two choices here. Design a custom template yourself or have a designer send one to you. The template creator is user-friendly and intuitive. Choose a custom background color or image. Add additional images and experiment with shapes. Resize and move them around to create something unique. Let me add two clouds and adjust the background color to demonstrate how straightforward this is. Next, you can fine-tune your typography. Adjust text alignment, color, font style, or size with just few clicks. Once you are satisfied with your template, simply name it, save it for later, or share it with your team. Now let's head over to Google Sheet. I want to generate several banners with varying copy in different languages. Just hit the share button, set the visibility to anyone with the link can view, and copy the URL. Back in our app, paste the URL and click Load Data. And there you have it, a collection of banners ready for review. Scroll down to preview them all. If everything looks good, the final step is to download your banners in PNG format. Click Export Banners, unzip the file, and you're all set to launch your Instagram ad campaign or display ads. This is a freemium tool, so feel free to test it out and use it as much as you like. If you have any suggestions, you can submit your feedback directly through the app. Looking ahead, we plan to integrate the template designer into the Blocks In app for our paid users. Brand designers will soon be able to publish corporate templates directly on brand documentation pages, making brand management more effective and interactive. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more feature update videos coming soon.